What is up, fellow loaders and future loaders? It is I, Mel Vinegar from League of Ancients. Hope you guys are having an amazing time. And today we are going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy LOA tokens from Gate.io. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump straight into it. Now, first off, since we're talking about Gate.io, you would obviously need a Gate.io account, right? But no worries if you don't have any account. Just head over to Gate.io's website or just click the link in the description below to sign up. Now, the process is super easy. And most importantly, it's free. So why not, right? So once you have your account, you will need to log into it, and there will be a small verification process to prove that you're not a robot. To a robot. That never made sense to me. I don't know why. But moving on. And then they will send a 6-digit verification code over to your email. So you gotta open it up, whatever email you use. So just remember the number and just put it into it. And boom, you are in the main page of Gate.io. So before buying the LOA token, you would first need to purchase the USDT. So there's a few ways you could purchase it using the buy crypto option, which is credit card, bank transfer, or P2P trade. We're not gonna go detail into these three options, but if you guys wanna know how to use these three options, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below or somewhere around this video, okay? So yeah, just click on it and it'll guide you through. But let's say you do have USDT and it's on a different wallet, a different account, and a different exchange. What you could do is withdraw it from that exchange and head over to your wallet and head over to the deposit, and you could just simply copy the address over here and just paste it into whatever exchange that you're withdrawing from, and boom, within a few minutes you're gonna receive your USDT in your Gate.io wallet. So once you have your USDT in your wallet, head over to trade and then head over to the search bar and type LOA. Now the first one's gonna pop out, which is LOA USDT, which is the correct one. And scroll down to the bottom and you'll see that you do have USDT in your wallet, which in my case, I have 85 USDT. So I'm gonna spend half of it, which is 50% of it, and just press it over here. And you're gonna buy, it's gonna confirm your order, confirm it, and you're gonna input your fund password, which you signed up using. And submit. And boom, your order is now placed, and it's just a matter of time for someone to sell it to you. So yeah, and now we wait.
12 seconds later.
And it's done. And so right now you could head over to your wallet and check under your spot account. You should be receiving, there you go, 100 LOA tokens in your wallet, and it's easy as that. So if you find this video useful, do give us a thumbs up in this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming updates about League of Ancients and more upcoming tutorials. So thank you guys so much for watching, and take care, and we'll see you real soon.